everyone. Myself Alpna Avasthi, computer teacher. Welcome to Shivaji Group of Institution. This is the class 8th video. Chapter is operating system. This is the part B video. Topic is function of operating system. What is operating system? This is discussed in previous class. Once again, I repeat, operating system is an example of system software. It acts as an interface between user and the hardware. Okay, it controls and manages all over the operation of computer system. It also manages the all over the resources of computer system. That means that operating system has important role in computer. So there are many functions of operating system. First is starting of computer, second is memory management, third is process management, fourth is resources management, and last is the managing file and folder. Now first is the starting of computer. Starting of computer means booting a computer. Okay, now second is memory management. It can manage all the memory portion. That means it allocates memory. Okay, now process management. Process management, it takes the task processing according to the job management. Okay, now resource management means it manages all the devices, how do they work. It manages the file and folders. Now next topic is type of operating system. Type of operating system. According to the function, there are three types of operating system. First is single user, single task operating system. Second is single user, multitask operating system, and the third is multi-user, multitask operating system. Single user, single task operating system, that means it has at the same time single user work and single work. Okay, for example, DOS. Second is single user type of operating system according to the function. First is single user, single task, single user multitask operating system, and third is the multi-user multitask operating system. Single user, single task example is DOS. That means ki at the same time single user work a single task on the computer system. Okay, now second is the single user multitask. This is the most important example. This is the window. In this system, a single user can work at the same time multitask, like it can download the music, it can download any file, it can listen music and write the any document on your computer. Okay. Now third is the multi-user multitask. Example is Linux operating system and the Unix operating system. In this operating system, a multi-user can do different tasks on different system at the same time. Okay, this operating system used in bank, railway reservation, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.